If you see the warning rear axle differential lock restricted in your BMW, there are usually two culprits, and the repair is likely to be either free or fairly inexpensive. First of all, this message is programmed by BMW engineers to show you that the car has noticed some anomalies with the drive wheels. It's not exactly a sign of the rear differential problems or whatever else, and BMW vehicles seem to be extremely reliable when it comes to the drive system, but modern electronics in your car want to know what each of the four wheels is doing at every moment. The computers obtain this information from the ABS sensors, also known as wheel speed sensors. Once the software registers any anomalies like one wheel spins too fast or rear wheels spin while front ones don't, it will throw this rear axle differential lock restricted. So the first culprit is some abnormal driving that made the rear drive wheels spin even though the traction control was on. This may happen during extremely aggressive acceleration or on a very slippery road, or I have seen it once when the car was on the lift and the mechanic who was checking it spun the wheels manually to check if the hub bearings were okay. After that, the owner saw this scary warning and wasn't happy. But most likely, you have the second culprit, a malfunction in ABS sensor. Now, these are the sensors that are installed in each wheel hub, and they measure the speed of wheel rotation. In BMW cars, these sensors usually die gradually. They may throw the warning and then keep working well for several weeks. So the warning may be intermittent. What I suggest when you see this rear axle differential lock restricted message in your car is to turn the vehicle off, then on again, drive it for several miles and see if the message disappears. If it stays permanently or comes up intermittently, you will need to have the vehicle scanned with good diagnostic equipment and see which wheel speed sensor is malfunctioning. Fortunately, the repair is relatively cheap and fast.